today we are gonna make another day's video. And before we start, like and subscribe to our channel and ring that little notification bell so you don't miss any of our videos. Yes. And today there are lots of stuff here. A cow, a calf, maybe means a deer, whatever it is there is a peacock, and these are some wild animals here. These are says a dolphin. You know, dolphins are cute, but are also smart, but also dangerous. And king of the jungle, lion, and some wild animals like cheetah, bears, and kind of a brown tiger is also here, and some fishes. Yes. Yeah. Today lots of stuff happened here. There was a mountain here, and sun. Looks like the sun is there because this is sun in the sky, not in the mountains. Then don't let fool you. And this is a Venus flytrap. This is another wild tree which nothing does anything. This is also a tree, and this is also a tree, and this is also a little big tree. And this snake is in here because this is not a dangerous snake. This is a friendly snake. And these don't look like any bird, you know this, but these are seagulls. These are dangerous, but are not doing any harm because these animals are also not doing. But something in here is going on. Look at this. This is also a bird. I forgot the name. And fine here and many others. There are wild animals here. There are some regular animals here. Before we started this, we just made this very hard. We went outside. Mother helped for that. And no, this is also a bird. It's yeah. This Venus flytrap is not looking like it is eating anything, but it is eating something. Whatever it's eating, it's just snapping its mouth. This dolphin looks at its surface just because it's breathing their fish. But this one is going like this way because it's trying to escape this one, because this one is trying to kill this one. This one is also trying to kill this one. All are trying to kill each other. But this dolphin only knows what to do. Kill one and save one. This bear we just made yesterday. Okay. And this bear looks like it's hunting something, but just walking. Okay. And looks it's happy, but it's angry. Something big is down, and this is a lake, and so many other things are here. And this is a chicken, and cow and a calf, and it's very good. No, you can try this at home. Bye.